Sustainable wood design, eco-friendly ideas for your space. Sustainability is no longer just a trend, it's a necessity. As we become more aware of our environmental impact, the way we design our homes and living spaces is evolving. One of the most significant shifts in modern design is the move towards sustainable wood design. Wood, being a renewable resource, is an excellent material choice for eco-friendly interiors. But not all wood is sustainable. The way it's sourced, treated, and used determines its environmental impact. When thoughtfully incorporated into interior design, sustainable wood offers a blend of functionality, aesthetics, and environmental responsibility. Whether you're planning to furnish your home, upgrade your decor, or embark on a DIY project, choosing sustainable wood can help you create a beautiful, lasting space that respects nature. In today's discussion, we'll explore eco-friendly ideas for using sustainable wood in your home, from responsibly sourced furniture to innovative recycling techniques and energy-efficient woodworking methods. The importance of sustainable wood design. Why is sustainable wood important? The answer lies in its impact on the environment. Conventional logging practices contribute to deforestation, habitat destruction, and carbon emissions, but sustainable wood solutions help counteract these negative effects. Sustainable wood is harvested from responsibly managed forests, where trees are replanted to ensure continuous regrowth. These forests are carefully monitored to maintain biodiversity, soil health, and natural ecosystems. Organizations such as the Forest Stewardship Council (FSC) and the Program for the Endorsement of Forest Certification (PFC) ensure that wood products come from sources that follow ethical and eco-friendly forestry practices. Another major advantage of sustainable wood is its carbon storage ability. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, locking it into their fibers even after being cut and transformed into furniture or building materials. This means using wood in construction or furniture helps reduce carbon footprints compared to plastic, metal, or concrete. By choosing sustainable wood, you're not only enhancing the beauty of your space, but also contributing to a healthier planet. Now, let's explore eco-friendly ways to integrate sustainable wood into your home. Reclaimed wood, giving old wood a new life. One of the best ways to embrace sustainability is by using reclaimed wood. This refers to wood salvaged from old buildings, barns, furniture, boats, or even railroad tracks, and repurposed into new projects. Reclaimed wood has a unique, aged appearance, rich with character, texture, and history, making it a highly sought-after material for eco-friendly design. Reclaimed wood can be used for furniture. Dining tables, coffee tables, chairs, and shelves made from reclaimed wood have an unmatched rustic charm. Wall panels. Adding wooden planks to walls creates a warm, textured look that enhances interiors. Flooring. Reclaimed wood flooring adds durability and personality to any room. Ceilings and beams. Exposed wooden beams made from reclaimed would bring a natural, vintage feel to modern spaces. By repurposing existing wood, we reduce the demand for newly cut trees, lower waste, and add a distinctive character to our interiors. Each piece of reclaimed wood tells a story, making it a meaningful addition to sustainable design. Bamboo, a fast-growing alternative. While technically a grass, bamboo is an excellent substitute for traditional hardwoods. Bamboo grows incredibly fast. Some species can grow up to 35 inches per day, making it one of the most renewable materials available. Bamboo is durable, lightweight, and highly versatile. It can be used for flooring. Bamboo flooring is a sustainable alternative to hardwood flooring, offering a similar aesthetic with greater durability. Furniture. Bamboo chairs, tables, and cabinets add a modern, natural touch to interiors. Decor accents. Bamboo wall panels, light fixtures, and dividers enhance a space with eco-friendly elegance. Additionally, bamboo's natural strength and flexibility make it ideal for modern, sleek, and minimalist designs while being environmentally responsible. Eco-friendly wood treatments and finishes. Sustainability isn't just about choosing the right type of wood. It also involves how the wood is treated and finished. Many conventional wood treatments and finishes contain toxic chemicals, VOCs, volatile organic compounds, and synthetic additives that release harmful emissions into the air. To maintain sustainability, it's best to use natural oils. Linseed oil, tung oil, and beeswax enhance wood's appearance while keeping it chemical-free. Water-based finishes. Instead of solvent-based finishes, water-based sealers provide a protective coat without releasing toxic fumes. Non-toxic wood stains. Many eco-friendly brands now offer plant-based or mineral-based wood stains. Choosing non-toxic finishes helps keep your indoor air quality safe while preserving the natural look of wood. Sustainable wooden furniture. Investing in longevity. Another key aspect of eco-friendly wood design is choosing high-quality, long-lasting furniture. Mass-produced furniture made from cheap particle board and synthetic wood not only lacks durability, but also contributes to waste, as it often ends up in landfills within a few years. Instead, investing in handcrafted, solid wood furniture ensures longevity, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Look for pieces that are made from certified sustainable wood, crafted using traditional joinery techniques rather than synthetic adhesives, designed to be timeless so they don't go out of style quickly. By choosing high-quality wooden furniture, you're making an eco-conscious investment that will last for generations. Upcycling and DIY wooden projects. Upcycling is another fantastic way to incorporate sustainability into wooden design. Instead of throwing away old furniture or scrap wood, you can transform them into functional and artistic pieces. Some creative ideas include turning an old wooden door into a dining table, transforming wooden crates into stylish storage units, repurposing pallet wood into wall decor or headboards, carving discarded wood into unique home accessories. Upcycling reduces waste, saves money, and allows you to create custom, one-of-a-kind designs for your space. Sustainable wooden lighting. Wooden ceiling lamps, pendant lights, and table lamps made from sustainable wood offer both style and function. Many sustainable lighting designers use thin wooden veneers that allow light to glow through naturally, recycled wooden materials for handcrafted fixtures, when combined with energy-efficient LED technology. These elements create a warm, organic ambience while keeping energy consumption low. The future of sustainable wood design. Sustainable wood design is not just a passing trend. It's a transformative movement that prioritizes both aesthetics and environmental responsibility. As we move toward a more eco-conscious way of living, the choices we make in our homes play a crucial role in shaping a sustainable future. By embracing reclaimed wood, fast-growing bamboo, eco-friendly finishes, durable furniture, upcycling projects, and energy-efficient wooden lighting, we can reduce waste and promote responsible sourcing without sacrificing beauty or functionality. One of the greatest advantages of sustainable wood design is its ability to combine style with ethics. Eco-friendly wooden elements bring a sense of warmth, authenticity, and timeless charm that mass-produced materials often lack. Whether it's a handcrafted reclaimed wood table, an upcycled wooden accent piece, or a bamboo lighting fixture, these choices add a natural, organic touch that enhances any interior space. More importantly, they support a circular economy where materials are repurposed, reused, and given new life instead of ending up in landfills. Sustainability doesn't mean limiting creativity. It actually expands the possibilities of design. With advancements in technology and craftsmanship, sustainable wood is being used in more innovative ways than ever before. From intricate geometric wall art made of salvaged wood to sleek, modern furniture crafted from responsibly sourced timber, the options are endless. Whether you prefer a rustic, industrial look or a clean, contemporary aesthetic, sustainable wood fits seamlessly into any design vision. Another key benefit of incorporating sustainable wood into your home is longevity. Unlike disposable, short-lived furniture, well-crafted wooden pieces are built to last for generations. By choosing high-quality materials and timeless designs, you're making an investment that not only benefits your space today, but also reduces environmental impact in the long run. Sustainable choices are about thinking ahead, selecting items that won't just serve a purpose now, but will continue to bring value for years to come. If you're looking to make your home more eco-friendly, even small changes can make a big difference. Switching to sustainably harvested wood, repurposing old furniture, or opting for non-toxic finishes are all meaningful steps toward reducing your carbon footprint. Every conscious choice contributes to a larger movement that protects forests, minimizes waste, and promotes a greener, healthier planet. Thank you for watching this exploration of sustainable wood design. If these ideas have inspired you to rethink your approach to home decor, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more eco-friendly design inspiration. Together, we can create homes that are not only stylish and functional, but also sustainable and kind to the world around us. See you in the next video.